What is going on with the Para app? Hey, Hannibal here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the Para app because it has been a very interesting 24 hours. People are dealing with a lot of problems that's going on with this app. It is also on top of every conversation concerning Doordash. I'll mention right now, this video isn't about whether you should use it or not. I think at this point in time, I think you guys have decided a long time ago whether to use it or not use it. However, there's some issues going on right now that we have to talk about. And it's still important to say that we have not seen any deactivations due to the Para app. People who have claimed they've been deactivated never brought any legitimate proof. We already know it's a violation of terms of service. Everyone who took the risk to download and use the app are still doing it. And the people who aren't interested in downloading the app are not. However, we have seen some issues with the app over the last 24 hours that have caused a lot of big problems. Hopefully by the time this video gets published, it gets fixed. But right now, people are complaining. People are saying that the tips are not being shown accurately at all. Some people are saying the app is completely down. From the comments from the tip transparency page on Facebook, you could tell people are really not into this situation. It seems like their lives are in complete disarray because the app isn't working well right now. But the more interesting question to ask is, the current issue with the Para app have anything to do with Doordash changing things up somehow? And if the answer is no, why Doordash is taking so long to do something about the Para app? Do you guys have any ideas? Put it in the comment section below. This app has been around for months at this point. Doordash clearly knows about the app. There's too much content on basically every social media platform for them not to notice. Doordash is known to quickly deactivate people for basic anything. They aren't shy when it's time to deactivate you. If they sniff any kind of fraud, you could be deactivated. If a customer says they didn't get their chicken McNuggets, you can be deactivated. If your completion rate is too low, you could be deactivated. So what is going on with the Para app? What are they waiting for? Maybe things aren't as simple as you violated the terms of service, so you deactivated. You break the rules and you get fired. Get out of here. Whatever. Things can be rather complicated. The more Doordash waits to do something, the more people download this app every day. If Doordash wanted to nip this in the bud, you think they would shut this down as quickly as possible. Maybe they can't detect the Para app. Maybe they're afraid to deactivate people for wanting to see the full payout in fear of bad PR. Maybe they're preparing a cease and desist letter to give to Para. Maybe they don't care about the app because people are getting the work done. Or just maybe, they're currently updating the app to block Para's access. Maybe that's why the tips are inaccurate. I don't know the answer. I am not a programmer, not a coder. Hopefully we'll get a real answer sooner than later. This is going to be an ongoing situation that can change in an instance. If you're a Para user and want to know the updated news, I suggest to join the Tip Transparency Facebook group. And due to Para's issues, it seems like it's happening, you should not get too dependent on Para. Those who have used Para in a couple of weeks, I'm sure you've noticed what restaurants are giving you the payouts, who's giving you those hidden tips. You know, the time of day where you can go out and make the most money. You already know what the best orders are. You already know what's going on. You should notice these trends, so even if you don't have Para, you can still figure these things out. If you're still looking to learn how to break down orders without using the Para app, please watch vloggers like Pedro and Kim. They work almost every day and explain and break down each order they take. Also take a look at more finance YouTube page. He's like a scientist out there working tons of shifts, trying to figure it all out, just trying to figure the algorithm. Check out his channel as well. If you want to master the game, you're going to have a strategy, and you have to experiment out there in the field. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.